Hello guys, this is your boys back here, and in today's video guys, I'm going to walk you through how you do a withdrawal from FTMO. And I am excited about this video because it is my first time receiving my payout from a prop firm. All right, today the purpose of this video is leading you guys through the withdrawal process. Okay, so in case you guys want to make a withdrawal with FTMO, how you can do it. Okay, so guys, the exact strategy that I use, it is the same thing that I stream on my channel, YouTube channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, guys, make sure you do subscribe so that you will come on my channel, read the signals right from the channel, and do the exact thing that I'm doing. All right, if you may be needing some little details and stuff like that, reach out to me on Instagram. Okay, I'll put my contacts below. Reach out to me on Instagram and I'll help you through. All right, let's go on the accounts. So as I told you, today we are going to make the withdrawal together. Okay, now as you can see, just today I lost I lost 184 pounds. All right, so currently I'm standing in 10,420 pounds. Okay, and 8 penny. Okay, I took it to 5%, then I took it to 6%, and I ended up losing almost 2%. What happened? Why is it that the first time that I took it to 5%, I didn't make the withdrawal? Okay, because something happened to me here, and this, I believe, not a lot of people talk about it. Okay, the moment FTMO gave me the funded account, okay, which is last week, okay, FTMO gave me the funded account, I think here on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, and on that same week I took the funded account, I added 5% to the funded account. So I said, oh my god, Friday I want to shoot content for you guys and help you so that we all will see the withdrawal process. Guys, I came here and it was telling me that I have 5 days remaining. As I was waiting, I saw a good opportunity. I closed all my trade around here. I wanted to shoot the video, but then I came here and they were telling me that I came on FTMO and they were telling me that I have to wait for 5 days. So I saw a good trading opportunity. So I entered into the market and I took the account to 6%. And I came to check back on FTMO and FTMO was saying that I have 20 hours remaining. And guys, I saw another good opportunity and I said, let me enter. And this is that opportunity that I ended up entering into that trade. And as you can see, my account dropped down here. Okay, so since they gave me the funded account, I think I went into drawdown here, and after that I've always been up. So yeah, that is it. And guys, I've been only using the strategy on my channel, okay, the one that I stream. So guys, make sure you do subscribe and you turn on the notification bell. I want to let you guys know why I want to make the withdrawal. Okay, because someone will say, man, why don't you keep on trading? I want to do the withdrawal for 3 reasons. 1, I want to see if FTMO is not going to, create any strange situation with me, just like FundedNext did. I legitimately passed FundedNext phase 1, phase 2 using the strategy that is streaming on my channel, and they didn't give me the accounts for some IP issues. I'll do a detailed video on that. Second thing is because I want to see the money. You understand me? I want to see if it is real. As you guys can see, my trading strategy is good. You understand me? So if I'm making a good chunk of money, I don't want them to be making me any stories. So that is why I want to withdraw and see the money hit my bank account. And the third reason is that once I receive the money, now I have it. I decide what I want to do with the money. I want to diversify my accounts in different with different prop firms. Do you understand me? Because you never know with these prop firms. I think they were scared of my strategy because guys, the strategy is very, very exponential. It's very, very strong. Okay, so guys, having said that, let's click here. Okay, so at the time that I was about to withdraw, it was saying I have 5 days remaining. the fact that I'm now having 4%, it doesn't make, I'm not worried about it that much, because guys, if you have the skills and if you know what you are doing and you understand what you are doing, guys, you can always scale up. You can always scale up. So guys, I clicked on the claim reward, and this is what helped opened. So let's claim the reward. Okay, reward claimed successfully. Your account has been processed. Check your email for confirmation. We are back on the second day. FTMO has replied us. Okay, so guys, let's go straight to the dashboard and see. Okay, this is my email, and this is the first email that they wrote. Okay, withdrawal request. So congratulations on closing your trading months in profit. To complete the trading cycle and withdraw your profits, kindly visit your client area, FTMO Traders Rewards, and complete the profit split of your FTMO account. Okay, so then they give you this information telling you that they don't have the credentials. So if you can log in, that is up to you. Okay, so yeah, we are sending you the account analysis of your account. Okay, so yeah, this is that. If you guys watched the first part of the video, at the time this area was not active. So now let's go in and see what they have to say. I saw that they have a notification here. Okay, so this notification is saying that congratulations, your reward is on the way. We would like to congratulate you on your performance this month. Your trading results proves you chose the right strategy. You can find your certificate here, and as always, make sure to share it and tag FTMO on your social media. Okay, let's see the certificate. Okay, so this one took me to the certificate session, and this is the reward. Let's come to FTMO. I think this is where the withdrawal process starts. It says reward section. Let's start and see. So I thought it was the money that I used to purchase the account. So get new FTMO challenge transfer. No, get refund fees to the same account. Get refund fee to same account. This is the refund amount. Okay, withdrawal max. Okay, so I think I would take the whole thing. We are taking this whole thing. Enter the amounts you wish to withdraw. Note, the payouts via crypto are only available for amounts above $50. Okay, all right, rollover. Okay, so I'm not doing any percent. I'm taking the whole thing. Get new FTMO challenge. These guys are trying very hard. No, I'm getting all my money in my bank account. Okay, bank transfer. Yes, I like it on bank transfer. I wanted to hit my bank account. What currency you want to receive your withdrawal? Let me see. Let me select GBP. Exactly. Type of transfer. Yes, I'll do IBAN. We've put in the card details, and so when you choose your payment method, then you put the details in depending on what you choose. Any special requirements? If you wish to make any changes to your account, merging or another account, changing to the platform now, please let us know. No, I'm not doing anything like that. Scaling plan. Okay, for me, that is not yet. You haven't met. Okay, very soon I'll get there. Okay, so proceed. Let's see, proceed. Please review your payout details. Okay, says this. Then they will refund this as a reward to me. Okay. So far, FTMO looks quite legit because, bro, the withdrawal is going through. It's going through. So, the two-factor authentication inside. So at this point, yes, I confirm everything is correct, continue to the invoice preview. So if I would say that if you are withdrawing, so guys, to me, FTMO looks quite legit, it looks legit. I want FTMO to generate my invoice. So this is it, and transaction fee of approximately 1% will be deducted from the amount. Okay, accept and complete the payouts. See, reward section. Welcome to the reward section. Okay, payout request has been successfully submitted. You will receive an email confirmation within 3 working days. That your payout has been processed. Okay, I will be waiting for their email, and they will send everything, I guess, into my account, because so far so good. Yeah, so that is all I can say about FTMO. I think they are legit. All right, they are legit. So if you want to trade with them, you can trust them. All right, so it's not that, you know, people are saying it online and you cannot experience it. So I guess if I am experiencing it, if FTMO is paying me out and I am receiving a withdrawal from FTMO, then that means you also can receive it. All right, and guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that the streaming signal is going on. You guys can receive notification for it. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye.